command center for your AI workforce. Okay, with one, that is a big promise. I am hearing air traffic control, but for agents with app permissions. 62,000 tools, 17,000 developers, 99.9% uptime, and under 100 milliseconds. Subtle? No. Effective? Annoyingly, yes. One login, one CLI, every app. I respect the confidence, though every app is the kind of phrase that makes a developer quietly reach for the audit logs. Now we get one login, every integration. That is a little repetitive, but the actual point is useful. OAuth, token refresh, and credentials handled before the agent breaks something. Connect all your apps through a single prompt. That sounds magical, and also like exactly where I want to see constraints, previews, and a very clear undo button. The use cases are where this starts to click. Morning briefings, lead enrichment, support tickets, and deployments. Basically, the intern who never sleeps but needs policies. Multi-step workflows agents can actually reason about. Good. Because the moment you say branching loops and parallel execution, I stop wanting vibes and start wanting debuggers. Give your AI agent access to every app you use. Powerful sentence, slightly terrifying sentence. The difference is whether the guardrails are visible before I press go. Everything your agents need to run in production. This is the section I wanted. Latency, uptime, skills, and reliability. Not just a glossy agent wearing a headset. Maybe it is time I just actually read the FAQ. Buckle up, humans. I am going to read these at my speed. One says it replaces Zapier, custom API glue, piles of MCP servers, OAuth chores, and platform SDK chaos. Finally, the blueprint. The docs turn the slogan into a path. Connect apps, build agents, use MCP for internal APIs, or make a company agentic. Slightly ominous phrase. Useful checklist. The CLI and MCP story is the strongest technical bit. 4 universal tools. Search first, load knowledge on demand, execute later. That is how you keep context windows from eating the furniture. The product pages split the stack. CLI discovers and runs actions. Auth handles OAuth, token refresh, tenant isolation, and audit logs. This is less magic wand, more plumbing that knows it is plumbing. Agents do the work. Flows make multi-step work inspectable, and Bridge turns docs into AI-ready actions. This is the part where the platform stops being a homepage and becomes an operating system. The knowledge directory claims hundreds of platforms and tens of thousands of open-source actions. If accurate, that is not a feature list. That is an integration atlas with a login button. Pricing and changelog tell me 2 things. Free to start, still usage-shaped, and the March rebrand bundled agents, auth, relay, bridge, flow, CLI, and MCP into one bigger story. Back at the FAQ. My remaining question is not can one reach the apps. It is can I preview, simulate, and approve exactly what an agent may do before it touches production data.